Hello, darlings. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you're another YouTuber, let me know down in the comments and I will sub you back. Now stay safe, wear your masks, and here's the video. Hello, darlings. It's Brandy here. Today we are going to get into some Rosalind glitter polishes. But first, it's shameless promotion time. Okay, y'all, so this is our stuff from our last drop. It is just so cute and wonderful, and I have done sets with these. Merry Makeup and More, too. Sassy Fantasy just nailed it. Everybody is coming in on these super cute kawaii charms. Some of them are a little bit bigger than people may like, but I do have some smaller ones in there for you that are super cute. And check out this Coco Hello Kitty. I got a set planned. That's all I'm going to say. So excited to use it. Y'all are going to love it. And of course, we have our 2 for 39-cent items. So if you want to get in on this, the link for the website is always in the description box. If you order, please use your ambassador codes KS10, SherieBaby10, Sassy10, or Mary10. She is a guest ambassador, so I sent her a little PR package. She did a look. She's doing some looks, so she has her own little code. So if you are a fan, please use her code so that I know that the guest ambassador thing is working. Okay, so Miss Merry Makeup and More too, she is having a birthday giveaway, okay? She is sponsoring a little package from herself. Miss Chelsea Gainey, she is doing a lip gloss combo because she makes them. And then Hillbilly's Creativity and Just Nailed It, they are putting in their own beauty baskets. It will probably be a mix-up of makeup and nail stuff, or beauty products and nail stuff. And I'm a sponsor as well, and I'm doing just straight nail stuff. For me, it's going to be, for USA, it's going to be a bag of coffin tips, the XXL tips with assorted stickers and stuff, and then a sticker package for international. So I am going to put the link for Mary's giveaway video. That is where you enter, okay? She will go through all the rules with you, and I think you can pick what you want to enter, maybe. I'm not positive. I watched the video right when it came out, so, you know, there's been a little bit of time in between, so, you know your girl with her memory, right? So, her link will be in there. If I remember, I will add all the other ladies' links too. Now, let us get into this Rosalind glitter polish set. Okay, y'all, let us get into this set. I know the screen is a little bit yellow, like to the warm side. Since I haven't been doing videos quite so often, it seems I have lost the touch, but I am going to the hardware store. I'm going to buy a bunch of different bulbs and we'll see what works with what, right? Because it's frustrating, like when I film a whole video, it looks fine as I'm filming, and then I come to do it and it's like, eh. Anyways, so this is a 6-piece gel polish set from Rosalind. It is glitter. It is 7 free, so it has none of that crap that is like so poisonous to people. But please remember, these are chemicals, so, you know, be careful. Redo your polishes every few years, because even though they don't run out, you know, that's still, you know, they do have life cycles, most of them. Okay, so on the little paper that comes in the package, they give you instructions and pictures on how to use the product properly, how to remove the product, some DIY DIY nail art suggestions, so if you want to do a little something extra, and then there are some troubleshooting questions and answers. And if you feel like you are having a problem that is not working for you, you can contact me, you can contact the company. Either way, if I can answer for you, I will. If I can't, then I will direct you to the company or ask someone that might know. All right, so first color is C294 and it is a beautiful sparkling red. This is the color I decided not to use, not for any particular reason, just because I love pink. You know, I gotta have the pink in there somewhere, right? So the next color is C295, and it is this beautiful, beautiful gold color. It actually gives some of a yellowish feel to it, and I'll explain that in a minute. Now we have this green, it's C109, and this one is beautiful. They're all beautiful, and honestly, I wasn't expecting the glitter to be so thick in the actual polish itself. So for the purple, we have C088. Oh no, that's blue. I'm sorry. C088. This one was the most sparsely glittered out of them all, but it still portrayed the color beautifully. Now we have the purple. It's C089. And yes, this is sped up, but only a little bit because, you know, I'm slow when I do things, especially when it comes to like looking at stones and glitters and sparkles. Yeah, I'll sit there and do it all day on the camera. So this is the pink, and it has that beautiful orange, hot neon pink jelly base, and then the pink colors, and that is C106. Now, so I'm just going to kind of talk as we go, and yes, this is sped up to my normal speed, which is, you know, obviously faster than normal. So I was originally going to do vertical ombre rainbow across all the nails. It would have fit all the colors and everything would have been fine, right? So for vertical ombres, especially like with jellies and some glitters, you know, you paint a little over the half and a little over the half, and the middle color turns the color that you want as the transition, right? So I tried to do it with gold, with this gold, and then with the red and the gold, and honestly, there was so much glitter, the orange was not coming through like at all, like not even a little. So all of these are one coat coverage, right? And there are some spots where I had to kind of touch it up. But what makes these so more opaque than other glitters, I feel, is that they, instead of using a clear base, they used a colored jelly base. So like with the gold one, it was yellow, and then you'll be able to see a lot better with this blue. It's like a jelly blue with blue glitter in it. So, like I said, the blue is the one that is most sparse when it comes to the amount of glitter that is in the polish itself. Now, I have the discount code in the bottom corner of the left-hand side of the screen. I'm going to keep it there for most of the video. You save 10% using the code, all capitals, GU6PFA6Z, and the code is valid only for this month. And 10% is still 10%. The set was $11.99, I do want to say. But y'all know savings is savings, right? So I wanted to compare those two just to show like the sparseness of the glitter compared, you know, between the two. So of course the pink gotta go in the middle because it's the biggest finger, and you know I love my pink. And with pink jellies, a lot of times if you get not just pink, but like a hot pink or a neon pink jelly, it's going to give you that orange, like, I don't know what the right word is, but it has like an orange tinge to it, but it comes out all pink when it counts, right? So this one was fine with the glitter. So it spread evenly, and like I said, I think the big difference with these colored gel polishes is that, or these glitter gel polishes, is that they use that color base, which I love, you know I love. And for all y'all purple people, here we go. Now this purple has beautiful pink and blue glitters in there as well. So yeah, I'm very, very happy with it. And honestly, like, I have the reflective glitters and stuff as polishes, but I have not bought a good glitter polish in a long time. So, because I was always thinking, yeah, well, I have the glitter, so I can just, you know, do it. But then it's like, oh, glitter's messy, so I'm not going to use it. So I will be going back a little bit to the roots where, you know, an accent nail or a nail will be a glitter, right? Instead of just whatever I'm doing, which y'all know can be anything at any time, any place. If you are still watching this video, please hit the like button. Let your girl know you are here. Leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. And if you do, don't forget to hit that bell, because YouTube is not small creator friendly and you will miss videos if you don't hit the bell, because that's just how YouTube works for us, okay? And it is a quick, free, and easy way to support any YouTuber. Watch, like, comment, share, subscribe, the bell. That makes YouTube bring new nail art, new interested nail people to my channel, okay? It's all with the algorithms and all that. So, and we are back. All right, now I am using this 3D paint that's in a pot. I will show it at the end. I wanted to do, like, everybody's doing those like metallic tribal type stuff going on, and I felt like metallic was not gonna cut it with this. And I was gonna go straight black, but then I was like, nah, I'm gonna go with the white. It's spring, you know, clean, all that, new energy. Gotta clean out the old, get all that, you know, whatever. So it might look a little busy to some people, but I wanted to go with the white, so I did. So the stickers that I'm talking about are up in the left-hand corner. I don't have them, so I was like, okay, I'm going to use this as a base, and we're going to try, right? So it was okay. I am glad that I used the 3D stuff. I haven't used it in a long while, and I was using the black one, and it has a different type of effect, really. Like this one, I felt like I was using, like I was frosting cake. So this will definitely be getting a workout next winter with all the gingerbread, whatever I may be making at the time. Because, yeah, that's what I felt like at the end when I was putting the French caps on. I was just like, this just looks like frosting, and I want to eat them, even though they're not even looking like cookies or anything. If y'all don't know, I love my sweets. I am a double XL bitch, okay? I cannot help it. I love my food. I love to eat, and that's just how it is, okay? I have been exercising, not too much, just enough to, like, stretch out my joints, get those muscles stretched out, you know, so that I'm not just a big ball of tension and pain and all of that, because I tend to hunch over as I'm working. So, you know, then your back affects your whole body. So anyways, I only painted 2 of these nails on camera because I figured it's pretty much all the same. By the second nail, though, I decided to not try to imitate the pictures in any way. And then in the last nail, I was going to, but I was like, I'm not feeling that 3-starness going on. So I just kind of did my own thing. But yeah, this is where it really made me feel like frosting a cake. I don't know why. It just was so, like, fluffy and whippy looking. I loved it. But yeah, like I said, I really do like these 3D paints. If you would like them, I can try to look them up. I am not sure. I bought them probably a year and a half ago. So, you know, I'm not sure about pricing or anything, but yeah, I will do my best to give you a decent price, like Aliexpress, you know, because I do shop Temu and I do shop Shein, but Temu, I go for charms, and Shein I usually go for clothes, and then most of my nail stuff is of course Aliexpress, but Temu has opened up a big array of very inexpensive nail charms, especially. So yeah, I'm over there. But Shein for the double XL clothes, girls, I'm gonna be taking some pictures. Y'all, just wait. So the top design was supposed to be what I was showing circled. I know that kind of went by fast, but after that I was like, because it just didn't look right, so I was like, forget it, I'm gonna do my own thing. And that's what I did, and I like them, you know. I did use some dotting tools with this. It does leave like a dollop effect, like where it's like, you know, a dot and then it has like a little poop coming off it, you know, like a little plume or something. So if you really want just like straight flat, you know, dots or whatever, then you don't want to use this for that. Okay, because it's a little thick, and it's on the pinky nail too, but I didn't film that because I figured, you know, by now you'd be getting pretty tired and bored. So I ended up top coating over these. When you're trying to get a 3D effect with the top coat, you want to not plop a ton of top coat on there, but you need to make sure that the effect that you're wanting to have is set before you even get anywhere near top coating, right? So if you really want that 3D textile, whatever, you know, when you touch it, tensile, I don't know, but whatever, if you really want that as a part of it, then you need to plan early from the beginning, because of course you need to top coat all this in. But yeah, frosting. And that is the paste stuff. So if you're interested, I can try to look that up for you. Now this is all of them at the end of the video, and you can see where I was like, screw that, and I just did what I wanted to on the pinky. So y'all know sometimes when I finish a set of nails and it just needs a little extra, because you know your bitch is extra, right, with the capital E. So I switched it up and put some piercings in there. Y'all know how I do. I want to remind you again that the 6 polishes are available for $11.59, and you get 10% off using the code on the bottom left hand corner. And it's only valid for this month. The link and the code will be in the description box, as well as Mary's giveaway link, and of course our website link is always there. I wanted to show off this red again because I didn't end up using it, and it is beautiful ruby slipper red type shit, okay? So yeah, y'all, it's fire. Fire! Okay, so here is the bottle holding picture, and then I also have just the front picture. I don't try to fit all 5 fingers in the pictures anymore because it just really hurts my hands. So I put a double piercing on the middle finger, a piercing at the tip of the green finger, the pinky finger, green finger, same difference, right? And I put a couple in the thumb as well, and they're all white. But yeah, I had to just add a little something extra. Please come check out our website. Place an order. Use our code KF10, ShreeBaby10, Sassy10, or Mary10. Save yourself 10% on the entire website. Everything on sale. All the Hearts with Wings boxes. All the tips. Everything. 10% off. But you have to use the code because there's not much I could do for you after, okay? So please remember the code. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that YouTube-y stuff. And I think that's about it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a marvelous day. And thanks again. Mwah.